Okay, so Sunday 3rd of May, day 41. Rules have eased a little bit, so we can go for a drive into the countryside for exercise, providing the exercise is longer than the drive. So we're just going to one of our favourite places, not far away, about 10 minutes away, Clent Hills, just for a bit of change of scenery, because the last 6 weeks it's all been the local canals and parks. So yeah, it'd be nice to get up the good old Clent again.
Definitely. So this is a walk that we like to do most weeks over Clent Hills. Yeah, it feels like a long time, doesn't it, since we last was here?
It does.
But this is our usual walk that we do most weekends when the weather's nice and we've got the time.
Yeah.
So after doing lots of walks around by where we live, it is nice to get back out over Clent Hills, because we really love it over here, don't we?
Yeah, you forget what a hill is as well.
Yeah.
Gives the old legs a bit of a burn.
Yeah, that's it. So having a really nice walk. What we've noticed different to the last time we was here is that the leaves on the trees are all green. Last time we came up here was probably the beginning of March, and it's now the beginning of May, and what a difference.
Yeah, it's very green now, nice and colourful. Peace and quiet. Yeah, we're just gonna come off Clent now, cross the road, and then continue the walk over Walton Hill. Gets steep now. Warmed up a bit now. That's where we've just come from, the top of Clent. Nearly at the top of Walton.
For about an hour and 20 minutes walking around Clent Hills and then on over to Walton. So we're just walking along the road now back to the car park where we've parked. And it's time for a coffee. Chill with coffee and ice cream, and now I think the plants need a drink, so let's give them a water.
Right, we're just going to have a Sunday lamb dinner.
Let's get started on that.
And a beer.
We've spent our day off together today, day 41 of the UK lockdown, and it's time now, just after having tea, for a nice cuppa and just a veg out on the sofa, watching Killing Eve.
Yep.